Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a little teaser video. This is going to go out on Monday because this is when this launches. So this week you're going to get 3 videos treating you, and a live on Wednesday. But yeah, this is just going to be a quick video just to talk about what I've got in my hand right here. I've been playing with it. I'm doing a live tonight at 9 o'clock UK time, 10 o'clock European time, over on Joico Europe Instagram page. Link is in the description. Head to there because I'm going to be doing a live model tonight using this, and I'm going to be doing a money piece. I'm going to be adding some tone. Andrea, who is my model, she's got a really cool shaved undercut haircut, 100% grey. And what I'm talking about is Lumi 10. Lumi 10 is Joico's brand new launch, and this is a 10-minute grey coverage, 100% grey coverage colour. Now, yeah, look, 100% grey coverage, up to 2 times the shine in 10 minutes. It's just blown my mind, absolutely blown my mind. 2 levels of lift. We've got shades Ns, NWBs and NAs, they're over there, just looking at them. And yeah, it goes from 1N to 10N, and then we've got, with the NWBs, we've got 5 NWB up to 10 NWB. Let me show you the colour chart, shall I? These are the colours. This is the, so yeah, look, we've got natural ashes, natural NWBs and naturals. And 10 minutes. You'll be able to do your client's colour in 10 minutes. We're doing a 10-night marathon for Lumi 10 at 10 o'clock European time, 9 o'clock UK time. But yeah, 10 days in 10 minutes, 10 lives for Lumi 10. So links in the description down below. Make sure you come and join us, support us. Let us know in the comments if you're using Lumi 10. I know a lot of the people watching this, you're in the States, so you're already cracking on with this. What do you think to Lumi 10? I absolutely, like I said, it's blown my mind. I absolutely love it. There's a few rules to it, but we're going to allude to those over this 10 days. But make sure you get Lumi 10 into your salons, because this is going to be something else. For your clients who are busy, running to the salon last minute, got a haircut, but their roots are showing, you'll be able to put their roots on in 10 minutes. And yeah, game changer, absolute game changer. Also with this launch, so we're going to be doing, myself and James Atkinson, we are live for the Fellowship of British Hairdressing on the 8th of November at 11 o'clock to 12:30. Go over to the Fellowship and you can sign up there and you can join us. And I'm going to be doing 2 models live. Me and James are going to be doing what we do on a Wednesday night, bouncing off each other, answering all the questions, giving you some insights and giving you some really cool tips on this. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. NWB goes up to an 8. That's an 8. Jeez. It's a little insider. One of my clients, one of the models, I'm going to be doing a 10N and a little drop of natural warm beige level 8. Give a little bit of
Let me add a little bit of spice.
So yeah, make sure you come and join us for that. Really looking forward to it. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button. These balloons behind me have just hit 25k subscribers. So yeah, we're celebrating all of you watching these videos. So thank you so much if you've caught this video and you're like, what the hell? But yeah, so if you don't know me, and if you've only come for Lumi 10, I'm Paul Watts. I'm a Joico artist, European colour design team member from the UK. And I'm like with all of the other artists, we're going to be launching Lumi 10 in the UK today. So yeah, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up if you're using Lumi 10. Let me know in the comments if you're using Lumi 10. And what do you love about it? I'd love to know. What have you been using it for? Root stretches? Have you been using the power of the 2 levels of lift in this in 10 minutes? Yeah, cool. Right, I'll see you check me out tonight on Joico Europe's Instagram page, and I'll see you on Wednesday for a brand new video, how to balayage on my sister. So yeah, I'll see you then.